everybody and welcome to another episode on the Alexis channel.
Some of you may have been wondering why I have not been uploading many videos lately. I've been busy on another channel of mine named Alexis from Arabia and beyond. You can find a link to this channel in the description section below this video. It deals mainly with Middle East topics, which is also one of my fields of work. And now, back to motorcycling.
Today we're going to have a look at useful accessories for your V-Strom. So let's start with the panniers.
I got these Suzuki panniers from my Suzuki dealer in Austria, and they have proved very spacious and reliable. The lock is very durable and robust, but a handlebar for carrying would have been useful.
I've also added these straps to the panniers to make them easier to carry. Easy job!
Adding rubber on the bolts is important to stop the rainwater from getting into the cases.
And the panniers and top box come off quite easily if we want to do some off-roading without them on. I also bought these crash bars, decorated them a little bit and added these pouches just in case I want to put some additional stuff in there. Another absolutely essential bit of kit is the Sump Guard.
I got the Sump Guard from Touratech and it is compact and tough. The Sump Guard protects the engine and important pipes from flying stones while off-roading and proved itself many times while off-road on my older V-Strom as well.
Another important essential are the hand guards.
These hand guards are also from Touratech and protect brake and clutch levers in the event of a fall, like here on my old Yamaha XT660R.
Wow! Yo-ho! Oh yes! Wow!
And I also had the seat raise as the original seat was too low for me.
Sitting up high enough is important to have a good view of the surroundings and obstacles up ahead. I plan to get more accessories in the future, and these will be discussed in future episodes. In our next episode, we will look at the rain gear from rain legs to keep your upper leg area dry.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to the Alexis channel for more videos on travel advice and equipment tests. See you then!